Carlos, how many keys and key fobs do you have to your trade-in?
One.
Okay, Carlos, so where is the other one?
I lost it.
Lost it?
Yeah.
No chance of finding it?
No chance.
Okay. The reason I asked, Carlos, is those key fobs are $200, $300, $400 to replace. Literally, the more key fobs you have, the more valuable your trade-in. But wait a minute. Did you happen to purchase a key replacement policy when you bought this vehicle?
I don't remember.
Okay, do you have the paperwork from your previous purchase handy?
I do.
Okay, if you'll give that to me, I'll look for a key replacement policy. If you've got one, it'll replace the key at no cost to you, raising the value of your trade-in. And if you didn't, well, not to worry, because you're going to get it complimentary when you buy your next vehicle from Galpin if you pick out a new Lincoln or one of our Motor Trend certified vehicles, all right? But remember, the more keys you have, the more valuable your trade-in because of the expense of replacing those suckers. All right? Grab that paperwork for me and I'll take a look at it for you.
Yep.
Okay? There's a simple formula here.